trades and trade levels, what you can do with them. Okay. This has got a proprietary study that marks like level 2 buyers, level 2 sellers, failed buyers auctions, that sort of thing. Okay. But I'm going to take that, I'm going to basically hide that because I'm assuming not everybody has taken this. Not everybody's taken, or not everybody has this study. Okay. And it comes with a course, but you don't need it. Here you go. All right. Let's go through and see what you're doing. Okay. Now, for yesterday evening, at about 18, there's 1800 right there. Okay. You could have taken the sell as it comes back below here. Okay. There's your target right there. But a better thing to do would be to wait. Okay. This is red. You're trading below, so you're going to take sells only. You're not going to take any buys, right? If you're going to take a buy, it's going to get out of a trade. Okay. So there is your first trade right there. See all this order flow up here? This is buying exhaustion and et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so you got buying exhaustion up here. You've got a level here, right? There's a commercial level right there at 44.80. Okay, pops there, couldn't hold it, gets you all these buyers, or sorry, all these sellers coming in right here. That's basically a buying exhaustion. Let's see what else that is. Let's see, that is selling imbalance, buying exhaustion. Okay, so we got a VPOC up here too. Buying exhaustion here, above it. Buying exhaustion here, and a selling imbalance, and there's your VPOC, right? And then there's another buying exhaustion and selling imbalance there on that bar, and then it comes down. So you've got 1, 2, 3. You have this little triangle right there, and there's your VPOC. So that's a that's a great indication for a short trade. And you're at a level. There's your commercial level. So you short 44.80. Your stop is right here. It's like a 3-4 tick stop. Okay, comes down. If it comes back here and takes out your stop, you take it again going through that level 44.80. You basically put a sell stop order here, and you're in at 44.80. Okay, so now what? Okay, go level to level. Okay, so you're short 44.80. There's 44.70. You could go to 44.69.75 and get 41 ticks out of it. So there's a $500 trade right there last night. $500 trade right there, and you got your commissions paid for. Okay, comes back down, goes back up. You're looking for right here. Here's another one. Okay, you're still your trade just above, and then you come back below. There's your commercial level right there. There's your, what is that? Buying exhaustion, selling imbalance, VPOC's up there, right? Top of that candle. So, and then there's another double buying exhaustion right there, and then it comes down. Exact same thing as what happened up here. That is what happened down here. And you got an arrow. You got an additional arrow. So as it drops down below there, you get it at 44.70, right? That's what you're looking for. You're looking at 44. You're looking at 44.70. Okay. You're trading from level to level, right? So you're bouncing around, you're not coming back to this, right? You're not coming back here at all. You're just waiting. Okay, there's your fill at 44.60 or 44.59.75, one tick. Boom, there you go. So there's your second $500. There's your $1,000, right? Keeps going. Yeah, whatever. Okay, now you got a bunch of exhaustion right here. If you could have taken the trade, see this order flow right here, order flow, and all this exhaustion, this was a 34 moving average. It's a 34 linear regression moving average. It's still pointing down, so you didn't have to get out here, right? You could, but you didn't have to get out there. There's there's a what? There's trade number 1, trade number 2. bam, $1,000 right there. Or you could have gotten in on the pullback. See that you got filled there, hit the pullback right there, short it again, 44.60. Your target is 44.49.75, right? Bam, there you go. 44.49.75, right? Still taking shorts, you're not taking longs, right? So there's basically $2,000 you could have made today, okay? Now, here's this. See it flaking around up here, okay? So you start getting this. You could short it here, right? 44.50. You'd have to, your stop's back here. I'd like to keep a really tight stop. So I get stopped out for like 5 ticks, right? Then I start seeing this stuff. See the break of that KTS flip right there. The break of that flip, I know we're going to come down. Start seeing order flow, red candles order flow. Take the short, 44.50, right? And just wait. Bam, there you go. There's another $500, right? Another $500. There's your short trade right there. Another short trade. You're targeting 44.30, right? There's a retest right there, but there's no order flow to get into that, right? And then bam, there's your trade. There's your $500 trade. What do you got? $2,500, $3,000, $2,500, whatever it is. Okay, right? Now bounces back up, right? Comes back up here. I'm getting a little concerned about these pullbacks, right? But what's that pullback going to do? Okay, so I've got a pullback from there to there. Okay, it's in that 61.8 to 38.2 window. So, I don't want to take. I really don't want to take it here, right? You could take it for just a little scalp right there, right? And then write it down. You might have gotten stopped out, or unless you took the short up here, you might have gotten stopped out because it bounced here and came back up here. Taking the short, taking it for another, another $500. It gets a little choppy. This is about 10 o'clock, so cash market's open. You taking it there, you get, you might have gotten stopped out, you say 15 ticks or whatever, okay? Unless you wanted to not even trade this crappy, choppy crap. Wait for this guy to signal the short, right? Right there, right there, right there. And then down for your 500, another $500, 44.20. Okay, boom, right there. So you got filled there, okay? So now you're looking at, okay, was it going to come up? Is it going to come down or is it going to come up? Okay, so I'm just waiting, right? I'm waiting. Now I've got a higher low. So I got a higher low there, a higher low here, where we've changed, right? So this is we're trading to the upside, right? This has changed to green. So I'm looking for a pullback to get in. There's a higher low. There's 44.2375. So I've gotten out there. I'm waiting for a long 44.2375 from 23.75 right up to 30. Right? There's my 44.30 from 44.2375. So 6 points. It's not bad. Okay, 6 points. I'm waiting. Starting to get, now I get this right there. I'm making a higher low. I could have gone long there, could have gone long there, right? So I'm making a higher low there. I'm making another higher low there. So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Obviously going up, green, everything's green. So you're just waiting for a pullback, say for example to one of those, the Kiwi trailing stop right there. Kiwi trailing stop there, right? Going up. Okay? So you're targeting this next level, right? So there you go. There's your next level. So waiting for your order flow and or either order flow or your flips here, KTS flips here, those levels. Long there, boom. Okay, Well, we're only taking longs here, right? We're only taking longs. So here's another pullback. I'm not going short. Here's another pullback. There's great order flow. It almost hit that 200. As it popped back up, grab that 44.40. Your target is 44.50. 40.50, somewhere in here, right? Now, this is at 3 o'clock, right? Now what's going to happen, okay? Let me point something out. Right there, you could get out. If you wanted to short it, that's okay. It just got choppy, choppy, choppy over here, right? I would have gotten out of that. But we made a lower high here, right? Which is a trend change. You know, higher low, 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 lower, and then lower high. Boom. So we're coming down, right? Bouncing off this level, that 44.50, and it you know, it eventually came down. It'll and here's your price action right here, and there's really nothing going on. I'm expecting it, you know, expecting the short to come down to this level here, 44.40, and then I'll start looking for buys. I'm sorry, I'm not going to be looking for buys. We're under the 200. The 200's turned down, so I'm only looking for sells. So I'm looking for a bounce back up and, you know, sell up here or sell going through here. Anyway, hope that's handy. Just wanted to walk you through that and show you what you could have done without like fail buyers auctions, fail sellers auction, just zigzags and levels. Levels right there. You got a level right there. See the order flow right there. 1, 2, 3. You can look for that little triangle if you want. There's one there. 1, 2, 3. I would not have taken that. I would not have taken that short. I'm not at a level, right? I'm at a level here. I'm not going to take that short anyway because why? Everything's pointing up. So anyway, hope this is helpful. See ya.